Good morning, student. Myself TC Pandey from DPS Saldwani Lamachod. Student, we have started exercise 12.2, that is of Heron's formula. So, student, till fifth question we have done. Now we will start question number 6. So, the question number 6 is this one, student. In this question, an umbrella is given like this. In this question, student, an umbrella is given and umbrella faces are, how many faces are there in 10 faces? So 5 are of shaded, 5 are in shaded form and the rest 5 are in unshaded form. So student, we have to find the area of the umbrella of each color. So how we can find it? Means suppose we can take a triangle like this. So student, what we have to do, all the sides are given in this question. 10 triangular pieces of each color are given and each piece is measuring 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. It is given that 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So student, we have to find the area of this one triangle first. So how we can find it? We know that here you can take A is equal to 50, B is equal to 50 and C is equal to 20 centimeter. So student, for finding the area we can use Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, S is equal to, first we have to find A plus B plus C by 2. That is coming 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2. That is 120 by 2. It is coming 60 centimeter. So student, S is coming 60 centimeter. Now we have to find area. Area of triangle is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So students, what we have to do, we have to put the value of S here. S is 60, then 60 minus 50, then 60 minus 50 and then 60 minus 20. So student, now we have to solve this. How we can solve it? We can solve it like this. Again 60 into 10 into 10 into 60 minus 20 is 40. So 10 10 is pair is here. Again 10 10 pair is there. Means we can write it like this. 10 into 10 means 100 root 6 into 4. Now we can calculate, student, 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24. We can use 4 is outside because 2 into 2 we can write it 200 root 6 centimeter square. Now students, each color is of 5 types. Means suppose this is a unshaded region, this is of 5 and similarly here this is a shaded region, this is also 5. So student, we have to find the area of the 5 region. Means we have to find the area of each color. How we can find it? So student, we can write area of each color. Area of each color means area of the 5 triangular pieces. So 5 are here, so we can multiply it by 5 into 200 root 6. That is coming 5 to the 10, 1000 root 6 centimeter square. This is coming, student, this one. So student, what we have done in this question? In this question, it is given that an umbrella is like this. 5 triangular pieces are of shaded region and 5 are unshaded region. So these things are given. So I have made 2 triangles like this. These are here. So we have to find the area of the each color. Means each color means, student, 5 color are of same type and 5 color are of different types. So sides are given. So we have used Heron's formula here. Then we have find the area of one triangle. Area of one triangle means this is 5, this is 5 also. So we have to find the area of each color. So what we have done, we have multiplied by 5. So we have got the answer 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So student, you can pause the video and note it down, and then after we will start new question. Now student, question number 7. Question number 7 is that one, a kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and 6 cm side is each made up of 3 different shaded as shown in figure. So students, this is given that a kite is like this. A kite is like this, student, given, and one diagonal is given that 32 centimeter, and base is given that 8 centimeter, and sides are 6 centimeter each. So students, we have to find the area of this one. So we can write it like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. So then what we have to do, we have to find the area of this kite. Means how we can find the area of this kite, students? So students, how we can find the area of this kite? Student, it is given that ABCD is a ABCD. C we can write it here. ABCD is a square. So in square, student, we know that the properties, the diagonals are of same length and bisect each other at 90 degrees. So student, what we can do it, we can construct one more diagonal here. So student, this is total is 32 centimeter it is given. It means it is 32 centimeter. So it is 16 centimeter, and 16 centimeter we can write it like this. So student, what we have to do, we have to find the area of this one. Suppose first, this is second, this is third. We have to find the area of these three. So student, what we can do, this is question number, this is now question number 7 is there. So what we can do it, area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD, student, we can write it. This is of 90 degree because bisect each other at 90 degree, the diagonal of a square. So this is half base into height. Base into height. So student, base is here total 32 and height is here 16. So we can write it 16 256 centimeter square. Similarly, student, we can find the area of the second region. Second region will be same because this is 32, this is 16 also here. So we can write it area of triangle BCD is equal to 256 centimeter square. Now student, the third part is this one. We have to find the area of this one. So these three things are given here. So we can write area of triangle CEF. Area of triangle CEF. How we can find it? First, we have to write all the things here. 6 centimeter, B is equal to 6 centimeter, and C is equal to 8 centimeter. So first, student, again we have to use Heron's formula. Heron's formula is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 6 6 14, 6 6 12, 12 and 8 20, 20 by 2. That is coming 10 centimeter. Now student, we have to find the area. Area is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 10, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8. This is coming root 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Root 10 we can write it, student, 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2. So the pairs are 4 and 2. 4 to 8, 8 root 5 centimeter square. This is the pair of 4 and this is the pair of 2. So we can write it 4 into 2, that is coming 8 root 5 centimeter square. So student, what we have to find in this region, we have to find how much paper of each shade has been used in it. Means all the shades are given, student. This is of different shade, this is of different shade, this is of different shade. So we can find it like this. So student, what we have found in this question, that this one, this is of different shade, student. BCD is of different shade and CEF is of different shade. So you can write the paper need in shade first is 256 centimeter square, and in second similarly this is also 256 centimeter square, and in third shade, that one is this one, isosceles triangle, it is 8 root 5 centimeter square. So student, you can pause the video and note it down, and then after we will start new one question. Now student, the next question is question number 8. A floral design it is given in your book, that is shape in like this. I am making only one shape. One shape is like this. In the whole, this is given that 16 tiles are there. So student, one tile is like this, means 1 and 2 tile is like this. Similarly here 16 tiles are there. So what we have to find in this question, students, the sides of the triangle being 9, 28 and 35 centimeter it is given. So it means it is given that 9 centimeter, it is given that 28 centimeter, it is given that 35 centimeter. This is of one tile. So student, what we have to do in this question, what we have to do, we have to find the area of one tile and then multiply it by 16, and in last it is given that find the cost of polishing the tile at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Then the area will be multiplied by 50 paise. 50 paise means 50 by 100. I think we can write in 1 upon 2 rupees also. So we can do it like this. So student, first we have to find the area of this region. Now this is question number 8. Here it is given that A is equal to 28 centimeter, B is equal to 9 centimeter and C is equal to 35 centimeter. So students, for finding the Heron's formula, we need S. S is equal to, we know that A plus B plus C by 2. This is 28 plus 9 plus 35 upon 2. That is coming 28 and 9 is 37 plus 35. 7 and 5, 12. 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. So this is coming 72 upon 2. So it is 36 centimeter. So student, S is coming 36 centimeter. So after this we have to find the area of this. So area is equal to area of one tile is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root, we can write it 36. 36 minus 28 is 8, 8, 16. So it is coming 8. And 27 and 9, 36. So it is coming 27. This is 1. So 36 means we can write it 6 into 6. 8 means 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. And 27 means 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. So make pair, student. It is coming 6 2 ja 12. 12 3 ja 36 root 6 centimeter square. It is coming, student, 36 root 6. 36 root 6 centimeter square is coming. So students, we can find the area of 16 tile is equal to, total tiles are 60, is equal to 36 root 6 multiplied by 16. And we have to find the cost of polishing also. It is given that the cost of polishing is equal to cost of polishing per centimeter square is equal to rupees, is given that 50 paise is equal to, we can convert it into rupees 50 by 100, that is coming 1 upon 2 rupees. We can write it 1 upon 2 rupees, students. So what we have to do, we have to find the cost of total polishing the 16 tiles. So student, what we will do, we will multiply it by 1 upon 2. So 36 root 6 into 16 into 1 by 2, that is 2 8 is 16. Now we have to multiply 8 into 36. 8 6 is 48, 8 3 is 24 and 4 28 root 6 centimeter square. So student, it is coming 36 root 6 into 8. So 8 6 is 48 and 8 3 is 24 and 4 28 root 288 root 6 centimeter square. Either you can convert, student, root 6 into in decimal form. This will become, I think, 2 point something. 2 point something will come here. So if we will calculate it, root 6 is equal to 2 2 ja 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 to 4 point, you can put it here, 40. 4 4 ja 5 5 ja 4 4 ja जाएगा, 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17. This is coming 2.4 something, students. 2.4, I think we can do it. 44 and 4 48. This is also 0 0. This will become, I think, 5 ja. So student, you can do it like this also, 288 into 2 2.45. Now you have to multiply it and you will get the answer 288 into 2.45. Either you can write it also 288 into root 6 centimeter square. So student, you can pause the video and note it down, and then after we will do the last question. Now student, the last question is this one, question number 9. This is very important for your exam point of view also. So students, question number 9 is given that a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeters and 25 meter and 10 meter, and its non-parallel sides are also given 14 and 13 meters. So student, first we have to make the figure. So when you will make the figure, you will get the right answer. This is 13 meter, this is 14 meter, and this hole is 25 meter, and the next one is given that how many meter? It is given that 10 meter. So student, we have to find the area of this region. How we can find it? We can construct it something there. So we can make it into parallel and we can divide it into a parallelogram and a triangle. So student, what we have to do? We can do it like this. In parallelogram, we know that the opposite sides are equal. So we can construct a parallel line of 14 meter here. So students, this is a parallelogram. So if this is 10 meter, it is also 10 meter. And it will be 15 meter because total is given that 25 meter. So student, now we can find it easily. So for finding the area of a trapezium, we need to height, or finding the area of the parallelogram, we need also height. So first we have to find the height of this triangle. So student, we can construct it like this also. We can put the names A, B, C, D, E. Suppose this point is F. So student, now find the area of this triangle. So in triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, what we can write? Sides are given. A is equal to 14 meter, B is equal to 15 meter, and C is equal to 13 meter. So student, for finding the Heron's formula, we need S is equal to 14 plus 15 plus 13 by 2. That is coming 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 and 3 is 32, and 10 42. 42 by 2, that is coming 21 meter, because 221 is 42. It is coming student 21 meter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle ACB is equal to root. We can use S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So student, root 21, we can write it 3 into 7. This is 21 minus 14 is 7. 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 we can write it 2 into 3. And 21 minus 13 is, students, 8. So 8 we can write it 2 into 2 into 2. I have written it directly, so you can solve it. So students, what are the pairs here? 7 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. Means all the pairs are coming. So 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. That is coming 7 3 is 21, 2 is 42, 42 2 is 84 meter square. So the area of triangle ACB is coming students 84 meter square. Now we have to find the height of this triangle. Student, again we can use the area of triangle formula here. So area of triangle means half into base into height. We can find it in another way also. Area of triangle ACB is equal to half into base is student 15 and height is, we have to find. This is, suppose AF is here. So student, area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. So both the areas will be same. So we can write it area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle ACB. We have used this formula 2 times because we can find it easily the height of this triangle. So 84 is equal to, we can write it 1 upon 2 into 15 into AF. So students, AF is equal to 84 into 2 upon 15. This is coming like this, students. So student, now we need to solve it. 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24. So it is coming 28 2 is 56 upon 5, 5 11 is 55 and 5 2 is 10. This is coming, student, the height is coming 11.2 centimeter. So student, now we can use the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to, so students, area of trapezium, we know that half into sum of parallel side. I am writing the formula here, into height. So student, half into, what are the sum of parallel sides means? Parallel sides are this one, 10 plus 25 into 11.2. This is coming, student, 25 and 10, 250 into 11.2 upon 2. So it is coming 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10 and 2 6 is 12. So student, we have to multiply 25 250 into 506, means we can multiply 25 into 56, we can multiply it easily. Then we will put the decimal place will be here. 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12 and 3 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 and 12, 0, 5 5 10, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, 1. It is coming something 1400. We have to put 1 0 here and we can put a dot here, students. Student, this is coming, I think 10 plus 25 is not, we have written 250, it is a sum, we can write it here 35. So student, we have to multiply 35 into 5.6. Sorry, we have done this one multiply form. So we have to add it. So we can do it 35 into 56. 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 13 and 3, 6 3 is 13, 6 3 is 18 and 3 21. Similarly here, 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15 and 1, 5 3 is 15 and 2 17, 0 6 9 and 1. It is coming 1960, 35 into 56. So it is coming 196 centimeter square. I think this is the last question. So student, this is coming 196 centimeter square. So students, in this question what we have done, we have a trapezium is given and 10 and 25 centimeter is given, parallel side, and these are the non-parallel side it is given. We have construct a parallelogram here, and then we have find the area of the triangle. After the finding the area of triangle, we have found again area of triangle, and then we have found the height of this triangle. So when we will get the height of the triangle, so we can use the area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. So student, half into sum of parallel side into height we have done. So this is the answer. So student, you can now solve these questions in your notebook, and I will send the PDF also of the rest questions. So students, note it down and do all the questions in your notebook. So student, you can pause the video and note it down, and then after we will start new chapter. So students, thank you for watching this video.